Ms. Henares, are remittance companies taxed differently than ordinary operating businesses?
Yes, sir. For the business tax, a remittance company and a foreign exchange firm is a non-bank financial intermediary and is subject to gross receipt tax of 5%.
That's not in lieu of income tax. Meron pa income tax.
Yeah, aside from income tax, they're not VAT-able, but they are subject to gross receipt tax.
Okay, define gross receipts for the committee.
So, like for example, they said they earn 10 million, so they're required to pay 5% of 10 million. So that's 500.
Why do we tax them twice? I was not responsible for that law, so.
No, this is a business tax. Other business pay VAT, but there are some business who does not pay VAT, but they pay percentage tax.
Okay, so this is in lieu of VAT.
Yeah, in lieu of VAT.
All right. Magkano po binayaran ng Philrem in gross receipts tax?
Wala siyang gross receipt tax, sir. I think they paid their VAT because their registration is wrong. We looked at their registration.
How much did you pay in VAT? Wala rin ditong VAT. They're only... They didn't pay any other kind of tax. Eh, yung gross receipts tax lang at 27 million times 5%.
Sir, we're VAT registered, so we pay VAT.
Saan po yung VAT dito? I see the line sales, cost of sales, gross profit. Then you listed your operating expenses beginning with salaries and wages. Eto, may taxes and licenses, 103,000. So that cannot be VAT, no? Because if you paid VAT at 27 million, mas mataas. It would have been cheaper for you to pay the gross receipt, the GRT.
Sir, it might not be cheaper for them. If they, I think, because if you look at their financial statement, they said 27 million is their gross, and I think their expenses is very inflated. Because their income is only a few 100,000.
No, that's the fault of the auditor. You know that already.
So if you look at it, I would think they're paying a VAT of mga 1%, 2% lang yan kasi may input VAT against output VAT.
VAT is on sales, right?
Sir?
Value-added tax are based on sales, total sales.
Yeah,
not based on net income.
Yes, but you can deduct your input VAT from your, because you have expenses.
Yes, I understand that.
Yes, so.
But there is no line for VAT here.
Because it does not appear in the income statement. It would appear someplace else, not in the income statement.
Did you pay VAT, Ms. Bautista?
Yes, Your Honor.
How much VAT did you pay?
Sir, I don't know. It's really my accountant who does that. For January 2016, we paid 45,301.
In January only?
Yeah, we pay every month. Your
How
Honor.
much?
Uh,
You pay 45,000 a month?
For February, it was 36,580.
Okay.
And then for We're still doing the one for March.
All right, but last year, for all of last year. And what did you credit in terms of input VAT?
For the first quarter, we paid 51,288. Last year, 2015.
But
VAT.
why do you give it to the committee per quarter? We'd like you to give it to us for the entire year.
I think VAT is per quarter.
Yes, that's when you file and pay. Correct.
Yes.
But we'd like you to total the 4 quarters for 2015. While they're looking for that, would you like to explain to the committee what you mean by cost of sales? Ms. Bautista, what goes into your cost of sales?
Bank charges.
Bank charges.
Yes.
So in 2013, on a gross income of 20 million, you declared 5.5 million to be cost of sales. Right?
Yes, sir. I don't have my files and my records. That's why I cannot confirm everything.
All right. But here's my question. In 2014, you declared 27.2 million as gross income and declared 15 million or 3 times what you declared as cost of sales in 2013. So that was a big swing. That was from 5 million to 15 million, or a 3-time increase, while your gross sales only increased by 7 million from 20 to 27.
Because the cost of delivering became higher that's 2015, right? 14, yes.
So delivery costs are all lumped under the heading cost of sales.
A part of it, it's included. Yeah.
And the other part?
The other part is the operating expense, I believe.
Hindi, yung operating expense is below that already. Ito gross sales 27 million, cost of sales 15 million, net profit 11 million, tapos operating expenses 8.8 million, income from operations 2.9 million. So it's a different item. All your operating expenses are in more detail. Your cost of sales is just one line. So we were asking you to break out or to explain to us what goes into your cost of sales.
If I'm not mistaken, Your Honor, that's the cost of delivering transactions.
That's impossible.
Let me clarify when I'll get back to you on the cost of sales. What is the breakdown of the cost of sales?
You do that for, and we'd like to take a look at your 2015 statement. Have you filed that already with the SEC?
Not yet. But yes, I will get all my facts and my documents together.
All right.